Welcome to a new video. Today, we are tackling a common problem that many SQL Server users face when trying to update a table with randomly generated values. The problem revolves around wanting to fill a column with unique, BASE64 encoded 32-byte values for each row. Sounds simple, right? Well, the solution isn't as straightforward as it seems. Let's dive into the solution provided. In the first attempted solution, the code updates the table using the command code update at table set txt equals select crypt_gen_random 32 for XML path, binary BASE64 code. However, this code ends up putting the same value in every row, which is not the desired outcome. The reason for this lies in the way the subquery is constructed, causing it to be evaluated only once due to its structure. Building upon the initial attempt, a modification was made to the code by adding a bogus correlation. By using code select crypt_gen_random 32 plus substring cast IDAS binary 4 10 for XML path, binary BASE64 code, the subquery is now considered a correlated subquery, resulting in the evaluation being performed on each row. This clever addition allows for unique values to be inserted into each row as intended. Continuing the exploration of solutions, an alternative method using the function codebase64_encode was introduced. By executing code update at table set txt equals BASE64_encode crypt_gen_random 32 code, the desired outcome of having different values for each row was successfully achieved. This approach leverages the use of a built-in function to streamline the BASE64 encoding process, making the task more efficient and effective. To summarize, we've delved into the intricacies of updating a table with unique, BASE64 encoded values in SQL Server. By understanding the nuances of subquery evaluation and incorporating clever tweaks to the code, we were able to overcome the initial challenges and achieve the desired outcome. I hope you found this journey through SQL Server solutions both enlightening and entertaining. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below